Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sits Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to do the Witch's Ladder lace stitch. This is a very wonderful, simple one row repeat. If you are wanting to get started into knit lace stitches, this is a wonderful start for you. As I just stated, this is a one row repeat, and all you really need to know is how to do a knit stitch, a yarn over, and knit two togethers. So we will go ahead and jump right in. And in that very first stitch, we are going to knit that stitch. And then we will yarn over and knit the next two stitches together. I failed to mention as well, when you go to cast on, you will cast on any multiple of 2. So back to our pattern. Again, yarn over and knit the next 2 together. And that is really it. Like I said, very short, sweet, and simple. And you will just continue doing that until you get to that very last stitch, and then we will knit in that last stitch. So again, yarn over and knit those 2 together. And in that last stitch, knit that stitch. So that is how you do the Witch's Ladder lace stitch. If you did enjoy this tutorial, this very short tutorial, do not forget to give me a like, share, comment, or subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. I do crochet as well, along with spinning and weaving. So please feel free to check out my channel, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.